In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timeline data from Asana. If you've ever needed to pull your project schedule into a spreadsheet for reporting, sharing with stakeholders, or creating a snapshot outside of Asana, this walkthrough will make the process clear and simple. First, open Asana on your desktop and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where your project lives, especially if you have access to multiple accounts. You'll see the left sidebar. Under the Work section, click Projects. This is where all your projects are listed, and it's the quickest way to jump into the one you want to export. Next, open the project you want to export. Once the project loads, switch to Timeline View at the top. Timeline gives you a visual of task dates and dependencies, so this is a great moment to confirm that start dates, due dates, and any task relationships look accurate. If anything seems off, adjust your tasks now so your export reflects the latest information. Now, look near the project title at the top of the screen. You'll see a small arrow down icon next to the project name. Click that to open the Project Options menu. From the list, select Export Print. This is where Asana provides different ways to take your data out of the app. Choose CSV to export the project data. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a universal format that opens easily in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, Numbers, and most data or BI platforms. As soon as you click CSV, Asana will generate the file and your browser will begin the download. By default, it'll save to your usual Downloads folder, unless you set your browser to ask where to save. The exported file will include essentials like task names, start dates, due dates, assignees, and other timeline-related details, so you can sort, filter, and report however you'd like. If you're sharing this with a team, it's helpful to rename the file with the project name and date, so it's easy to track versions. When you open the CSV in a spreadsheet, you can format dates, adjust columns, and create simple Gantt visuals or pivot tables for quick summaries. If some fields appear blank, double-check that those details were filled in on the tasks before export and that you were viewing the correct project. That's how you export timeline data from Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.